Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Made an error in the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and it's binary time, yes. Binary number 889, yeah, 889. Well, the goal is to stop with if I hit the 10k, then my goal is solved. Yeah, and yeah, I will stop with this channel. Enough with Sudokus. Anyway, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now the double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth puzzle, the fourth and last puzzle in this additional, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.